Pinakamit among balay. Good morning guys, welcome to our newly furnished home. Char! Ay, adi na ngayon anak mga bisita. Before ko pakita ang mga bisita, itutur ko anay kamo. So, this is the guest room. Oh, diba? Of course, my guest kit. And my comfortable bed and air-conditioned in here. Guys, ang aking bisita ngayon. Welcome home, my visitor. Malita akong bisita, libre kape inihiya. Kay nakaka-LL kasi kami yan kasi kami may kape. Sige bisita, ano tayo mo masisiring? It amon new nga balay. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. This is Mary Ann Kalutan Sweet. Cheers!